Welcome everyone. Today I will share some tips about using the Microsoft Planner application and Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. First, you will want to open a Microsoft Planner tab that has been added to a Microsoft team. The first tip today is about views. You will see different view options as icons in the middle of your screen. The first view is Board View, and that is the view you will see by default, and that provides you with a breakdown of assignments by bucket or category in Planner. The second view is Grid View, found on the left, and that will show you a list of tasks, and you can sort that list by different columns. So for example, by due date. The third view is Schedule View, also known as Calendar View. Here you can see how task due dates are distributed across the month or across the week. And then lastly, we have Chart View. Chart View will allow you to see different analytics in charts for a productivity breakdown where you can analyze the tasks in your planner. So for example, you can see the breakdown by status, by bucket, by priority level, and then tasks assigned to different members. Now, the second tip today is about the chat feature in Microsoft Planner and Teams. Chat will allow you to communicate with a designated space about the planner itself. So for example, if you are interested, you can go ahead and take a screenshot of tasks due that specific week. Open the chat bubble icon in the top right-hand corner. And then you can paste in your image, asking the team if there are any questions on the tasks for that week. Send it through, where you can see a recap of messages sent. And you can also find the chat as a new thread under your posts. Thank you for listening to this session of Tips and Tricks.